Yes, I want to know, I want to explain, I will tell you about the Andaman Nicobar Deep Island. This is the located in the southeastern part of India, and this Andaman Nicobar Deep Island is one of the biggest and one of the critical ecosystem zone in India for protect our uh, protect of the different kind of animals their livelihood. Millions of animal species are depend on this forest area, but the government of India, all of the forest area, they want to cut and establish new developments for tourist purpose, new development of airport and different kind of ecosystem that after destroying they will be established. And now we are living 2024, and do you know, in a couple of 2 days there was one of the big issue which was related to oxygen, and there is no clean air in the region of Delhi, and there are a lot of the problem that are people facing, especially in Delhi. So this kind of the thing that are indirectly impact our human health, and we are facing different kind of the disease like cancer, asthma, and others is micro disease for everyone's people are struggling. But still, why we are mentioning our NCRT's book? We want to protect our habitat, we want to protect our ecosystem. Government also try to resolve. They are mentioning, but why they is allowed to cutting the forest area? And if you will not protect the forest area, how you will be survive in the future? When you will be disturb the ecosystem, when you will be disturb the ecosystem, how much pay to next 2 years? How much that impact you will have to pay that you do not remember? You just cutting and starting developing. The final result, the people are suffering, government are not. I mean, so you are posted in the government that you are also know about that, but still they allow. The reason is that we all of them know about that. So this was the big challenge for all of the people. We requirement to maintenance of the ecosystem. Our first responsibility to protect ecosystem in holistic way. We are studying any of the class, doesn't matter, but we have already mentioned this ecosystem, and everybody's our responsibility to how it will be with big impact in our life in health and for this maintenance of ecosystem entire the world. So I want to actually why today's I mentions like this kind for every single days that are news coming from this kind of this problem, because sometimes this endangered species they are a very critical situation, in a very critical situation. So we requirement to protect for every species, but the government allowed to cut all of the forest and forest area. You know that in Andaman Nicobar Island, that one of the big and I think it's total more than 8 of national park that has been established by government of India. Such example for Saddle Peak National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Mahatma Gandhi National Park, and this is the key national park. And this national park, most of the species they are living. That is the reason I very concerned about that. Okay, I hope you are understand. And today's I want to give up these sessions, and tomorrow I will again try to reconnect